Shady Grove around 6:50 p.m. Central Standard. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Williamson County, Central Hayes County, Travis County, Central Blanco County, Central Burnett County, until 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:50 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Kentner to Bertram to near Pflugrath, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Bertram, Oatmeal, Joppa, and Shady Grove around 6:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Leander, Liberty Hill, and Muhammad around 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Payton and Indice around 7:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Florence, Sun City, Henley, and Georgetown Dam around 7:10 p.m. Central Standard Time. Serenada around 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Dripping Springs, Gerald, Weir, and Driftwood around 7:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Bear Creek around 7:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Granger, Bartlett, and Shady Hollow around 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Mountain City, Lanaport, Garfield, Creedmoor, Maha, Wells Branch, Waterloo, Manchac, Shortner, and McKinney Falls State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until